Loan officers, AI is obviously here. And where AI is at today, it's the worst it'll ever be because it's just going to get better and better and better. So loan officers are looking at all the different ways that they can use AI. And I think that's a fantastic idea. There's a lot of great things that you can use AI for. However, there's one huge mistake that I see loan officers make when they're using AI, and I want to share that with you because if you don't make this mistake, it's going to allow you to avoid falling into the trap that all these other loan officers are making and not being like every other loan officer. So what's this mistake? And that is using AI to replace you completely when it comes to your marketing. When you go on your social media feeds, you see constantly AI images, AI clones, AI messages, and it becomes annoying, right? You probably can think of many things right now when you see those things and it drives you nuts. And loan officers that are using AI for all of their marketing, all their messaging, all their images, trying to create a clone of themselves and so they can go everywhere is you're making a huge mistake. Now I understand why you do it because it's fast, it's simple, and it can post everywhere. But if you do the wrong thing everywhere, you're not going to get the results that you want. And plus, when the pendulum swings from one direction, that means it's going to come back the other direction. So when everybody is going to AI, what was going to happen and what is happening is people are going to crave the opposite. They crave realism. That's why you're seeing a lot of content creators is that they're avoiding the AI to replace them and they're creating more realism. So you don't want AI to completely erase you. You want AI to help supplement you, help you do research, help you come up with ideas, but you yourself create the messaging, record the videos of yourself so they see you. You want your realtors, you want your referral partners, you want your borrowers to develop a relationship with you. You don't want it to develop a relationship with an AI, and it's not going to develop a relationship with an AI. So when everybody else is zigging, you need to zag. So avoid that mistake that I'm seeing loan officers make is trying to have AI replace them when it comes to their marketing.